I'm gonna help you. I gotta get milk first.
I'm gonna put the milk in there.
Okay.
You can carry me.
Hold this. Other hand, other hand. Other hand. When I put it in here, and then you put it in the bowl. More. You have to do 5, okay? Hold it, hold it, hold it up. Are you stronger? Here. Hold it close. Don't spill it, okay? You're even stronger? I know. Good job. Put in the sink.
Where?
Anywhere.
This one.
Yeah. Just put it right there. You gotta pour this in there.
Are you gonna help me?
No, you're gonna do it by yourself because you're a big girl. Wait. And hold it with 2 hands. Put this hand right here, and then very slowly. You dump all of it in there. You got all of it? No. Shake it, shake it, shake it. There you go. Is it all of it? Okay, one more. Hold it under. You take your other hand and tap it. There you go. You are so good. Thank you.
We did it.
You did it.